Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the USHA QH 3002 Quartz Heater. This is basically a room heater. It is not a this is not a air blower like a lot of other room heaters. This is just a heating filament. It comes with quartz tube heating element, low power consumption and 2 heating positions. And not just that, it has 2 quartz tube heating element. Power is 400 watt and 800 watt. Easy to carry handle, front grill for safety. It's ISI certificate, carries 1 year warranty and safety tip over switch. Do we have any more information? Though that's nearly it. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what the room heater looks like. We have a instruction manual for the QH 3002. This is the instruction manual for the quartz heater. A lot of precautions are mentioned along with technical data, features, safety device and operating instructions as well. There's also the warranty card right over here. So you should read this very carefully. And this is the quartz heater, room heater in question. So these are your heating elements right at the top. You can see the 2 large heating tubes. And this is the grill that separates the heating tube from the rest of the room. You have a knob here. This is basically your temperature controls for when you want to regulate the temperature. What is this? I don't know. Okay, I must mention that this is partially metallic. This part is metallic and this part is made out of plastic. Overall, there is a gray color combination as well. At the back, you have these vents, as you can see. You also have a power cable with a 3-pin socket, and you have this handle for carrying it around. There's a very nice addition. This basically makes this entire device super portable, and it is portable. It's actually pretty lightweight. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the USHA QH 3002 Quartz Heater. Thank you for watching.